everyone. This video is an example of direct, joint, and inverse variation. So we have 3 examples and we're going to look at those. We have to write an equation for the statement, then solve the equation. So the first one is just direct variation, y to x. So basically when you're trying to find x, what we're going to do is write y sub 1 divided by x sub 1. That's going to be this part equals, and then you just copy over y. We want that on the same line, y sub 2. I'm saying subscript divided by x sub 2. So there's your setup, or you could flip this around. You could also write as x sub 1 divided by y sub 1 equals x sub 2 divided by y sub 2. This one's going to be easier to do because we're looking for x. So I like to keep x in the numerator. And when you do that, I'm going to use this one. You're going to get x divided by 9 equals 15 divided by 5. So this is just going to equal 3. So you get x divided by 9 equals 3. And you can cross up or multiply both sides by 9. You get x equals 27. These have to equal. If you plug it in, they'll equal. Joint is not that much harder because you just have an extra variable. So the way you set that up is the same way. We're going to write this as y. We're trying to find y. Y sub 1 equals x sub 1, z sub 1, just like this. And then for the denominator, y sub 2 equals x sub 2, z sub 2. Again, I'm saying subscript. And when you fill everything in, you're going to get y divided by, let's see, y divided by 6 equals 6 times 8 divided by 4 times 2. So if we simplify this, y divided by 6 equals 40, let's just write this as 6 times 8 divided by 8. So that cancels out. And then you can, I'm doing this without a calculator. So you get y equals 36. Just doing it old school. Inversely is the harder one. And the way you set it up is we want to match, we're looking for x. So if you do x sub 1, then usually would have the y sub 1, but we're going to put the y sub 1 here, and then the y sub, we'll put y sub 2 here, and x sub 2 here. It gets reversed. These two get reversed because for inverse variation, if you're solving for x, that would be k divided by y sum k. All right, so it gets flipped. It's inverse. So that one you'd get x divided by 45 equals 9 divided by 27. All right, and then you cross multiply, and you're going to get x equals 9 times 45 divided by, let's see, 27. So this goes into 3 times. 45 divided by 3 is 15. So your x that you're trying to find is 15. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.